UNO and all kinds of
That's
things
right.
after that. He said, even we don't pay MU Kamath that much salary. I said, sir, I have not come here to discuss salary, my salary with you. And neither I'm interested how much everybody is getting. If Sadhana requested me and I have come. And he fixed my salary 600. Now, any problem is there, either you talk to Mr. Nadkarni or straight to Mr. Sadhana, and they will solve the problem. When are you going to join? Tomorrow. Okay. I'll speak to Mr. Nadkarni. I left the chamber, came back to Nadkarni. They said, अरे छोड़ो तो बाबा, तुम्ही कशाला परवा करता? मी बाहेर मी बघतो. बरं बघा. ते झालं सगळं. I joined Free Press Journal. Up to 52 to 59, I was there. Lakshman left in 53.
That's right.
No, 49, sorry, 49.
Lakshman worked over there for 2 years.
49.
That's right.
He left. After that, I left. No, I immediately in 50, I left. 50 to 52, I was doing freelance. 52 to 59, I was with Free Press Journal. Then suddenly, when this man started becoming more active, A.B.
Mr. A.B. Nair.
Hare Haran was the editor. So, they made a rule. Even my rough sketches, cartoons, unless and until managing director censors that, only then I have to ink it and finalize the thing.
Even your rough sketches?
Rough sketches.
So you experienced the emergency before the emergency?
No. Emergency came in 75.
It came in 75.
Yes.
So you experienced censorship even
at that time,
before that?
Yes, but what I did, तो मैंने मेरा कार्टून हो गया sketch, pencil sketch. I called Muddu. He was Sadanand's peon. He became automatically his peon also. Muddu, ये साहब को बताओ. Do cartoon on S.K. Patil. मुत्तू के साहब बुला रहे हैं आपको. So I went. Good morning. Good morning. Please sit down, as usual. Mr. Thackeray, do you know Mr. S.K. Patil? Yes, sir, I don't know. Only I know that much thing that he's a politician. I have not seen him personally. मैं इतना ही मानता हूँ कि वो एक कोई राजकारणी पुरुष हैं. And whenever I get some news, I draw. No, he's a very good man. I will introduce to you one day. It's all right. But don't touch S.K. Patil. I came back with my sketch. Then I do a cartoon on Minu Masani. I was called again in. Good morning and sit down and all kinds of things. Yes, sir. क्या है? Do you know Mr. M.R. Masani? Sir, as I told you last time, कि किसी की भी मेरी पहचान नहीं है. वो अखबार में जब भी उनकी कुछ बातें आती हैं तो उस पर मैं कार्टून निकालता हूँ. If that suits me. No, very good man, and I will introduce you to you some same old thing. I was really fed up. गुस्सा आ गया. I came back. I called मुत्तू को बोला टाइपिस्ट को बुलाओ. He called typist. मतलब मेरा resignation टाइप करके ले आना. Why? I want to resign. I don't want to stay here. I typed the resignation, my signature went to Nair. And then editor, Mr. Hariharan, called me. Yes? Hey, what is this? You've gone mad? But if I, sir, remain here, I may go mad. I may become mad, I said, at least. No, I'm not going to. You accept or reject or tear it off. I'm going. I just took my bag and came home.
And they couldn't change your mind.
No, no.
So nobody's been ever able to change your mind since
No,
then?
no. Though I have a mind, but nobody changed.
So nobody's been able to change your mind?
Nobody can. Once I take the decision, not like your Sharad Pawar.
शरद पवार जी अपना मन बदल लेते हैं बार बार?
शरद पवार जी, मेरा मन,
अपना मन?
अपना मन,
जी,
उनका
जी,
काफी टाइम, आई मीन नॉट वंस. यही जो नई बात करनी हो तो ये that is a wrong thing. He did not leave Congress. He has been kicked out from Congress because when he saw after the election Sonia Gandhi going to the Rashtrapati
जी,
and कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाएगी, she will become the president. तो मेरा क्या होगा, यानी उनका. And he immediately declared that we will not allow a foreign lady or any foreigner to become the prime minister of this country. Okay. When she heard, उन्होंने निकाल दिया ये शरद पवार, संगमा और तारिक अनवर
जी,
इन को निकाल दिया. छोड़ा नहीं, निकाल दिया. मगर हमेशा प्रचार किया जाता है कि उन्होंने खुद छोड़ दिया. नहीं, हिम्मत नहीं उसकी.
जी.
फिर भी
वो ये कहते हैं कि क्योंकि वो डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह के साथ गईं राष्ट्रपति को मिलने के लिए और उनको नहीं लेके गईं, तो इसलिए उन्होंने छोड़ दिया.
उनका आपस की बात है, मैं क्यों निपुण हूँ इसमें. ये बात ये नहीं, क्यों नहीं, क्या नहीं, वजह क्या, उस छोड़ दीजिए बात. लेकिन ये हो गया. When you declare one thing and today you are going back to Sonia Gandhi, वो भी पाँव से चल के उनके बंगले पर गई, वो भी घुटन पर चलते चलते उधर गया. और जो उन्होंने बात कही कि हमारा जो मैनिफेस्टो है इसमें विदेशी मुद्दा नहीं आएगा
जी,
मगर हमने विदेशी मुद्दा छोड़ा नहीं. ऐसे आफ्टर रिमेनिंग सो मेनी years in politics, I don't know the exact meaning of this, what he wants to say. Whether after election he is going to say the same thing, repeat the same thing, or it is forever as far as the manifesto is concerned. What is the truth? इससे पहले he was having some kind of a understanding with BJP. काफ़ी वहाँ उठबस चल रही थी दिल्ली में. अडवाणी से मिलो, महाजन से मिलो, इससे मिलो. मैंने देखा कि आज तक हमने इतनी गालियाँ दी उनको, बहुत गालियाँ दी, और इतनी गालियाँ देने के बाद वापस उनके साथ बैठूं. कल चुनाव आने वाला है
जी.
लोग क्या कहेंगे, अरे आज ये बात है दोनों साथ मंच पर, तो गालियाँ क्यों दी. ये कैसा है. मेरा जो विश्वास है, लोगों का मेरा पर विश्वास है, वो उड़ जाएगा. वो नहीं. मैं संभालता हूँ दो चीज़ें, ये तत्व और सत्व, दोनों को मैं कभी नहीं छोड़ा, ना छोड़ूंगा
जी,
कभी नहीं. बहुत कड़क रहा हूँ इसमें. तो मैंने कहा कि ये नहीं हो सकेगा, और करना है तो चलो ये लखोबा जो है भुजबड़, उसको निकाल दो. आप वैसे कहें तो मैं कहूँ, आई वांट शरद पवार in that tribe actually. I want. Very much I wanted. क्योंकि if he would have joined us, Shiva Sena and BJP, he would have been fully exposed. You see, fully. How? You were attacking us that we are secularist, we are, हम धर्मांध है, हम जात्यंध है, हम जातीयवादी हैं.
जी. That you are communal.
Now you are coming with us.
That's right.
So what happened to your, what you said, uttered earlier? चला गया. But because I put that one condition, which I was absolutely sure this will never take place, and this so-called alliance which they wanted with Sharad Pawar will break, and it has broken.
But very strange. The BJP